Hi, today I'm going to make this very cute little mobile holder plus a pencil holder. Very easy to make. Materials I'm using are, this is a pink colored sheet, slightly stiff. This is corrugated paper in silvery grey color. And this is recycled cardboard. I've taken it from a carton. I have cut a strip from the cardboard. This is 11 centimeters by 30 centimeters and a square that is 7 by 7 centimeters, and these are smaller pieces which will just sort of fit in the square. So now take this, and I've written the measurement on this. So you have to draw 4 equal parts. I divide the whole thing in 4. So I've taken 9 centimeters, so that leaves me with 2 centimeter border here, and the width would be 7 centimeters, leaving a gap of 2 centimeters here. So I've drawn these lines. I'm just going to score on them. This will help in folding the paper, the cardboard. Like this, and then this straight line. Now I'm just going to cut triangles. So this will help in folding and sticking to the base. Like so. So I'll just cut the whole length. So this is how it looks, and you cut out the last square, the one which is the spare part. So I'll just fold all of these. And these. As you can see, this forms a box, and this I'm going to overlap and stick like this. So first we take the base and apply glue on it. Now from the corrugated sheet, I have cut out a square which is the same size as the base, and this strip which is the same size as this strip, like this. So now I'm just going to stick this on this. Like this. Let it dry, and similarly on this also I'm going to stick this. And let it dry. After this is dried properly, just make the folds so it's easier. Now just apply glue on all these triangles. and on the side flap. I'll just take this. So just slide the triangles underneath this. And then stick this flap over. So you get a box like so. And turn it over and stick it. So I'll just put some weight where it sticks well, like so. I've cut out these two pieces from the pink paper, just like keeping the box on its side and then measuring it out, and they're slightly bigger on the sides. And these are the two cardboard pieces that I showed earlier. So now first I'll stick these. Just apply glue. And then the other one. So this will lift the box slightly above the ground. Like this, and I'll let it dry. So this is how it will look. Now I'll just take these sides, apply glue. First I'll stick it on the side which has a flap. And then just curve it. You have to hold it for a little while. Now I've drawn and cut out these two elephant shapes, identical in size and shape. So when you cut them, just make sure that, when you put it on the ground like this, the snout, the legs should all be touching the floor. So now I've cut the pink paper also in the same way. I'm just going to stick these on both sides of the cardboard, like so, on both of them. So I've got 4 of these. Like this. So this is how this would look. Now I have already drawn an eye, so just take a black pen and trace it out. This outline it, sorry, and then draw the pupil and color it in. So as you can see, this is on the opposite side of the other one, and I've cut the ear also. So just take that, apply glue and stick it. So you need to position it a bit. I'm going to put it like this. And let it dry. So this is how it looks. Now you can leave it like this or since this, this part shows of the cardboard, so I'm just going to stick this. This is a paper cord. You get it in different colors. So I'm going to stick it all along the outside of the elephant. And I've also stuck it already on top of the box and on the other elephant. So it gives a neater appearance. So I'll just do this on it. So after finishing this, now I'll just take the box, apply glue on the side which is not covered with paper. Just apply glue. Take this. So just first, just put it like this on the elephant, making sure that it is on the ground. Just press it a bit. You can even just put it like this where it dries. And now I'll stick this on the other side too. And this is how it will look after it's finished. A cute little pencil holder plus a mobile holder.